Hi everyone, I'm Lydia, and this is my sister, Rebecca. We wrote this book together in 2008, so I was 6 and Rebecca was 4. It's called The Farm Day. Hope you enjoy it. There once was a farm. On the farm lived Lily and her husband, Frank. They had a dog. His name was Ralphie. The farm had a barn. It was big. The barn was red. Ralphie liked to chase butterflies. His best friend was Fred the chick. Fred liked to dress as a cowboy. Cowboy Fred liked to chase butterflies. After chasing butterflies, Ralphie needed a bath. Fred went home. His mother was named Corsana. There she is. Corsana went to Bible study with her friends Cutie Mouse and Cornbird. It looks like Fred is going to have a baby brother or sister. Ah! The end.